Hello everyone. In this video I am showing how to create chatbot and how to add some functionality to this chatbot to respond to the users, right? Before going to create chatbot, let's know about two questions. What is chatbot and why do we need to use chatbot? I will give you a brief introduction to these questions. Telegram chatbot is an automated program, a software that interacts with the users on the Telegram platform, right? I think you understand. And why do we need this chatbot? For example, take an example. There is a help desk in a hospital, and the person is there at the hospital and giving uh, giving some help to the help seekers, right? So if there is only one help seeker, he can able to manage that one help seeker, so so she can help them, right? What about if there is number of help seekers uh, presented there, and how can she manage everyone at the same time? And what about if the help seekers are coming at irregularly, at the night, at evening, at morning, irregularly? So here chatbot comes. So the chatbot is used to interact with users, to support, engage, and give some efficiency to the all users in this, right? So this chatbot mainly, the main thing is this chatbot manages everything, support every user whenever they are interact with this chatbot, right? So coming to the creation, let's go to the bot further, then account in this Telegram channel. Just go to this, and if you want to create new chatbot, just give this command /new bot, right? So it asks you to give some name to that particular chatbot. For example, let's give this chatbot name is Rita. So it's okay. It's asking some bot name, and so username. It's asking username for the bot. So if you give something like Rita bot, it tells like this. Almost for every username it tell like this. So give the name randomly, bot. See how I gave the name, so it definitely it will give this reply. So this is our chatbot with the API key given here. So keep aside. So we have created chatbot, and what this chatbot will do, just go to this bot and give some just start here and give some numbers to add. 2 plus 3. Does it add? Does it give reply to us? No, because it don't have any functionality to give us reply, functionalities to give response to us. So let's go back and create function and give this function to functionality to this chatbot. So this is the index.js I'm going to make for the chatbot I have created, and I'm going to explain all this syntax, module, packages, why we need why you use this for making chatbots, right? First of all, come to this Node Telegram bot API. In order to maintain relation from this server and chatbot, we use this module package. So in order to we import this Node Telegram bot API, we use this required method for importing this module, right? So this is here is we are going to keep our chatbot token. Where is our token? Right, here is our token. So it's copied. Just paste here. So created. So what about this toke, and means here let's call it as token. So what is this syntax? Why we use this syntax, right? So in order to receive messages from the user, it always be ready to receive messages from the users, right? So this poll is true because it tells us receive messages from the users whenever he send the message to the message in the chatbot, to the chatbot, right? So what is this bot dot on? This is also a method. In order to, it's like an event listener. So it triggers and respond to the users, and based on the input it responds to the user based on the functions, right? So what the what is the code I have written in this function is adding two numbers. Just see, just one minute. See here, chat id equal to message dot chat dot id. Why I use this, why I assign this message dot chat dot id? What does it contains? Let's check it. Just print this message into console. Okay, just run it here. Okay, leave it, just run here. Run server, sorry, node index. So our telegram bot is running in our server. Just go to the telegram and give the input as 2 space 3. So what's it giving? Result equal to 5. This means it's adding our input, whatever the numbers we are giving, it's adding those numbers and giving as a result. Just go to our console and check what's there. If you check here, what we have done here, we have print the message in our console, right? So what this message contains? It's a contain an object, and this object contains few more internal objects, right? I mean message.it, and form contains, it's an object, right? So in order to retrieve this, chart, first we have to do this, right? Message.chart. This is an object, and this object contain chart, and this chart contain our id. So in order to retrieve this id number, what we need to do? Message.chart.id. So whenever we use this, we'll get the id number, right? User will get the user id. So in order to get the text, where the text is, so here is the text, right? So where it is present in the message object, directly it's an item, right? So directly we can access this from this message object, message.text. So what we are doing, just splitting the text based on spaces. So it's going to become as array, contains 2 and 3. In which data type? String data type, 2 and 3. And here the result, we are converting this each string into integer type. So we use this parseInt. So and we are adding this and assigning this sum to result. So we are sending the result. To whom we are sending? So user with the ID. Here we store the ID, right? So user with the particular ID, we are sending the result respectively. If you don't give this ID, whom to this whom to whom it will send? For example, let's consider a chatbot and consider users ABC. They have been interacting with chatbot. So how the Telegram bot recognize who is going to be chatting with me, to whom I need to send, how can it respond to each one? So based on this chat ID, it's going to be send the results to respective users, right? That is why we are using this chat ID. So you understand? So here we are giving response to the Telegram page, chatbot page. So if there any error, it will be occur here, right? So this is our functionalities we are giving to our chatbot to add two numbers. What else? If we need to find the prime number of a particular number, so we need to write the code here. What if you have any package to do whole functionality without writing this code? So simply we can import this functionality package and just use that package without writing much code, and which manage our time, right? We decrease our I mean will easily make the chatbot without writing much code. So here I am importing the code package sum2nums is the predefined package present in our available in our JavaScript. So in order to get this, we'll just go to the Chrome and just ask the npm and for example I'll show you how to retrieve this so npm, just type npm. So here is our npm. In this we can check the packages we want. Sum 2 nums. So here we can find the syntax for the downloading package. So this is the syntax for downloading sum2nums package. So let's go and install this, right? So in order to stop running the server index.js, we'll just click Ctrl+C, so it will stop running. So just paste that and click it. So it will download this package, and successfully we can use this package in our. So it's downloaded. Just go here. Already you have imported this sum2nums. Just use it here. In order to simply erase this first, in order to add manually, just use this sum of so we need not to convert this into data type, because this internally it converts the string to integer type and add these both numbers, so a comma b. So just save it and run it. So it's running. Just go to the Telegram bot and give numbers same 1 and same 2 and 3. So it's now also it's giving same result 5, and give 2 more. Result is 6. So we need not to convert the string data type to integer type when we use the package. Alright guys, so this is the functionalities of our telegrams, and this is the response our telegram going to give to the users. So what is this? This is the dependencies we are using on our telegram chatbot, right? The dependencies we are using in this chatbot. It will it will stores what we have been using in our telegram chatbot functionalities. Right guys, thank you.